So a few years ago, I started asking questions to my dreams right before going to bed. Things that I wanted guidance on in my life, questions that I had of all kinds. And I was really surprised to see that every night consistently, I was getting answers and clarity. This had a huge impact on my life, of course, because suddenly my desires, my fears, everything in my life started to get illuminated by the experience that I had in my sleep. Then at one point, my subconscious decided to just shut me off and say no more questions. And I had to learn to basically work with my dreams in a new way. And this led me down the path of dream work. It's been a really interesting journey to see the power of my dreams for manifesting a conscious reality. I have learned how to use my dreams to understand my fears, my limitations, my true desires, everything that I am not allowing myself to experience in my waking life is being reflected through my dreams. And the more we work with our dreams, the more we start to understand how our dreams impact our waking reality. Welcome to this channel. I have been making videos about my life here in Costa Rica, hoping to inspire people to take the leap as well. And now I'm feeling called to speak a little bit more about empowerment and creating your dream life. If this message resonates, please like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment. I would really appreciate it. I also want to mention that I'm offering one-on-one private consultations for anybody that is interested in potentially moving to Costa Rica and would like some advice on where to go, how to navigate life here, what it's like. It will be my pleasure to share my experience with you. The link is down below in the description box. Now back to dreaming. I just want to say that I'm in no way a dream work expert. Everything I have learned from dream work has been intuitive. I have read one book on lucid dreaming, that's it. Did not really apply the things so much. Would like to. Just have always navigated this as an intuitive experience. And I think that this is the most fun ways, because when things get rigid, of course, they get more dogmatic or masculine in their energy and they're less fun. For me, dreaming has always been an exploratory process, and I want to keep it that way. Still though, there are things that I practice in order to enhance the quality of my dreams and bring about more clarity and revelations. The first thing I do is I meditate before bed to clear away the day, to be able to find center, to be able to, essentially come back to my being as much as possible. And this has a big impact. I don't consume alcohol, I don't consume cannabis, and I don't eat big meals in general. I'm a light eater. And I find that when I eat a lot, especially before bed, this actually impacts the quality of my dreams, where they're less vivid and just my sleep is denser in general in a not good way. The final thing that I do that is my number one recommendation for somebody that would like to start doing dream work is that as soon as I wake up, I stay completely immobile. I'm lucky to be able to wake up with the sun. I don't sleep with any blinds. So as soon as the sun rises, I wake and I stay completely still. And I take the time to tune in to what I experience during the night. Usually, of course, I'm tapping into what's the most recent dream, although the more I practice, the more I'm able to go back in time. And I try to understand it. Dreams, in my experience, are almost always reflections of our realities. There are other types of dreams that we can have that go beyond that. We can tap into the collective realities. In my case, my dreams are mostly about my own personal experience of reality, and they are mirrors of certain things that I'm experiencing in my life, certain desires that I have, certain fears, certain limitations, as I said. A lot of the time, if I set an intention before bed, I don't ask a question anymore because that doesn't work. But if I set an intention and it's something that resonates with my heart, like I really want to understand this on a deeper level, I will dream something that needs to be analyzed. Still though, it will show me truths. Right now, I'm in a big process of empowerment, of owning the life that I'm living, of owning my choices, and of owning my own personal sovereignty. My dreams are revealing so many things to me. And interestingly enough, the 2 times that I worked with ayahuasca, the ayahuasca was essentially a deep dive into my dreams, where the ayahuasca helped me to understand what my dreams were revealing to me. But the aya was not revealing new information. It was simply digging deeper into things that I was already tapping into every night. And so, if you start to do active dream work, you don't necessarily need to take plant medicine. It's like every night is a microdose of the medicine and helping me to heal, so long as I'm using what is shown to me and integrating it and healing with it, which is how you should work with plant medicine always 100% of the time. The plant medicine just shows you things and then you need to integrate it. So every day that I wake up with these dreams that are revealing things to me, I need to go deeper. I need to sit with the information I got. I need to rewrite my beliefs. I need to tap into my desires. I got work to do. So if dream work is something that interests you, you can find tons of information, books, YouTube videos of experts that are telling you how to actively practice dream work. I really only touched on the surface of how I use my dreams to manifest another reality. You can use lucid dreaming if this is something that you're interested in developing, and lucid dreaming being essentially being conscious of your dreams. So you're kind of like navigating the dream from a place of, I know that I'm dreaming, and so you're creating a dream. And from lucid dreaming, you can actually create new realities. You can give birth to new experiences that will manifest in your waking life. So it's a really powerful tool. I have to say, I'm not there yet. I'm working more on deconstructing my current reality to be able to make space for the new ones to emerge. But this is the theme of my life right now. It's a lot of shedding, which I think is a collective theme of like removing the layers of limitations that have been put on us throughout our whole life. And then when I have created that space, I'm more able to tap into, okay, what is it? What is it that my soul really wants? How am I not fully living the experience that I want to live? And the more I do this, the more beautiful my life becomes, the lighter my life becomes, because I'm just removing so much and understanding myself on much deeper levels. Dream work is an amazing way to get deeper within your own self, to understand yourself in amazing ways. And those of us who are into it just know the power and the beauty of them. So I would love to know if this is something that you practice, how it has impacted your life. You can write it in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have video ideas for me, I would very much appreciate you writing them in the comments as well. And if this message resonates, please do share. It is inspiring to know that my words are impacting people and resonating with them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon.